want to talk about? Jeez, slipped my mind. So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to talk about, I don't know, no I do. I know what I want to talk about. I want to talk about being in the present moment and how that's going to help you move through challenging times. And yeah, that's it. If you're interested in a video like that, please keep watching. So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Like I said, in this video, I want to talk about being more present and here. So, if you do not know who I am, my name is Amber Turner, and I am the author of You Choose Your Outfit, with outfit being the metaphor for your reality and or experience. I'm also the CEO of the Censored Apparel brand, and we believe in being bold. Wait, that all ran together. We believe in being bold, being loud, and being confident, yes. And today, I wanted to talk about kind of anxiety. When you're going through a challenge and you got a lot of stuff on your plate, it can be hard to manage just your thoughts and yourself and life. And so I wanted to talk about that. And I think that a lot of people have talked about it, but I've never really understood it until now. I personally have been going through a lot in my life, a lot of transitions and things like that. And for me, I actually was going through this before, and I look at how the difference is between how I'm handling my situation now versus the time before, where I was handling the same kind of situation, and how heavy it felt on my spirit and on my life and everything. Like, it was hard, it was tough, I was like, going crazy. But I look at the two differences in how I'm handling it now versus then, and I noticed that the biggest difference in it is that right now I'm much more calm and I'm managing everything in a much more peaceful way, versus then, where I had all these racing thoughts. My anxiety was so high. And the difference between then and now is that this time I just look at things as one day at a time. Like, a quote that resonated so well with me was a quote from Oprah, my hero. She my hero. She said, be in the present moment. She said something along these lines. I'm so paraphrasing, but she said, be in the present moment and figure out the next right step from that moment. Being in that moment, figure out the next right step. Because oftentimes when we're in something that is shifting our life and our life is being uprooted, you have all of these thoughts of like what can happen and all these hypotheticals. So your mind is racing and it causes so much worry and anxiety. And one of the things that you can do to combat that is to just be present in this moment and be here now, and just operate from this place of what is the next right step. And that's the biggest difference. It makes the biggest difference in how you move through challenges and difficulties and transitions in your life, when you're just present in the moment, operating from a place of what is the next best step for this situation. And that's where I'm totally operating different from what I was doing before, where I was just, my mind was racing and thinking about all of the things that were going to change and shift and what kind of things are, and then it became branches off of that. Like, if I knew something was going to change, then how I was going to have to manage that, and how then what my life would look like. And it just kept going and going and going down this rabbit hole. And now I just operate from a place of what is the next right step for me in this present moment. And when you can do that and you can just be here in the present moment, it alleviates so much anxiety and stress that I can't even tell you how different the situations are for me. And and I'm so grateful for that. For some reason, the way that she said it just resonated with me, And I took a step back and said, you know what? I'm going to do that. I'm going to be present here and now, be present with my kids, and be present in this moment. And actually, honestly, be grateful for the things that are present in this moment, in this now, and operate from this place instead of allowing my mind to go crazy, which it can. It can definitely do that. But I wanted to offer that because I think it's important for whatever you're going through. If you're going through a transition, a shift, a challenge, some sort of difficulty in your life, that it's important to really be an observer too. Be an observer of what's going on, what things are telling you, and be present and now, and just operate from that place instead of operating from the future that hasn't even happened yet. Like, that's what anxiety really is. It's this, like, all of these things come up and you're triggered and all of this stuff. And that's where I had to really take a step back and say, what is the next right step for me and my kids at this present moment? That is important. Me worrying about even things that I can't control, me worrying about those things, worrying about what other people are doing, and worrying about the future is not serving me in any capacity whatsoever. So just operating from a now, operating from this present moment, and allowing, your intuition, spirit, God, divine, whatever, to help guide you to the next right step. And in order for you to honestly tap into your intuition, you have to be present. You got to be here. You got to be in the now anyways. So that's what's comforting too. That also is comforting in that way too, is that operating from this present moment, operating from this now, and being able to receive guidance and moving forward on what the next right step is. Because I really wanted to share that, because it's interesting. This morning I was talking with my mom and I was thinking about how different the situations and how different I am in this situation moving forward. And I always thought, like, why is that? Like, why do I feel so present and good? And it's because I am just operating from this present now, and what is the next right step for me, not worrying about all these things that I have no control over, all these hypotheticals that have not happened and might not even happen, so that's what I wanted to offer in this video, because I thought that was pretty profound. And I thought, how amazing is that? How amazing. But anyways, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. I do videos on business, life, and everything in between. I am also the author of You Choose Your Outfit, and I'm going to leave the link below for that if you would like to learn more about that book. But anyways, you guys, I hope you're having an amazing day, and I will check you guys in the next video.